Hi, welcome to Not So Creative. In this video, I'll show you how to install eyelets. Eyelets are a great way to add a polished look to your projects, whether it's for bags, garments, or even home decor. Let's dive in and get started. Here's what you'll need: a base, a setter tool, eyelets, a hammer, and of course the fabric or material you'll be working with. You can get all these items online. I got this kit from Amazon. It was quite affordable and came with the tools and over 100 eyelets, making it a great option. I've included a link to this product in the description box below. It's an affiliate link, so if you purchase through it, you're helping me continue creating content. So thanks a lot for being part of this community. Now, let's start by preparing the fabric. The kit usually includes a punch tool for cutting the holes. You can use that, but I prefer a more controlled method, especially when working with thinner fabrics that can easily tear or get damaged. Here's how I do it. First, determine where you want the eyelet. Place the washer on the fabric and trace around the circle with chalk or a fabric marker. Next, fold the fabric in half where the mark is and use sharp scissors to make a small cut. This method gives you more control over the size of the hole. Always cut inside the line you traced to ensure the hole isn't too large. You can adjust it slightly later if needed. Now that you've made the hole, take an eyelet and push it through from the front side of the fabric. The wider side of the eyelet should be on the front, and the narrower part should stick out through the back. Place the base tool underneath the eyelet to keep it stable. Place the washer onto the back of the eyelet. The washer secures the eyelet in place and ensures a neat finish. Then position the setter tool over the back of the washer. Hold everything in place and tap the setter tool firmly with a hammer until the eyelet is securely attached. Make sure the edges of the washer are tightly rolled around the eyelet for a professional finish. If you want to install an eyelet in a small bag like this one, similar to the poop bag holder tutorial in my sewing playlist, here's how you do it. First, mark the position of the eyelet as we did before and cut the hole. Then, turn the bag inside out for easier handling. Place the eyelet with the wider part facing the right side of the fabric. Add the washer and then position the base tool underneath the eyelet to keep it stable. Now, place the setter tool over the back of the washer. Hold everything in place and tap the setter tool firmly with a hammer until the eyelet is securely attached. Check to make sure the washer edges are tightly rolled around the eyelet for a clean finish. And that's it! Installing eyelets is super easy with this kit, and it adds a clean, professional look to your projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more sewing tips and tricks. Happy crafting!